Good evening. This time I will be showing you my Bluetooth modification of this 1995 stereo receiver AM/FM Kenwood. It's kinda shit, honestly. It's not as good as my Sony over there. My Sony, that's like a fucking literally it's same year, but it's much better. Build construction is on this Kenwood is actually terrible. Oh, it's very, you would think these are connectors. They're not connectors, they're just trash. Anyways, what I wanted to talk about here is the Bluetooth mod I've done here. So you take a common Bluetooth amplifier module, you just connect the power button to a button. Makes sense, button. You take this one, luckily has outputs for external devices to be powered, so I just plug in a USB adapter. The adapter gets switched whenever you switch on and off the device. Very useful, convenient. Run a USB cable. The USB cable goes through two diodes, just here, two diodes in series, and I just solder that onto this Bluetooth thingy's battery connection. So as you can see here, it's just sitting on a switch. It's like the impedance switch. And then, since this has like fucking 17 inputs and outputs, I take video 1, which has something stuck in it, as you can see, video 1, and just solder some wires onto here, onto there rather, so positive, negative, or rather left, right, and then I just take a ground from wherever right into this thingy's socket for a 3.5mm headphone socket. And what else? That's about it. The strain relief, I think, is pretty ingenious. I take some of this tape. It's like a plastic textile tape. How to put it? Take some tape, wrap it around the USB cable, put zip ties on both ends so that it cannot be pulled through, and GG. And that's it. But it's this is not a bad amplifier. I just don't like it, considering I have something better. It's for I don't know, a relative. There you go. Thank you for watching, and I will see you next time.